PC again, my Triumph Spitfire. I've took the two front balances off, the boot off. Doors, windscreen. The rubber was corroded, so I just cut it off. As you can see, the seats are in the air because I'm just about to take them off. Not the original seats, I don't think. Everything is looking good. No wrist holes or anything. Could do with going along there with a wire brush. Leave that to the body man. All the trim in the boot. Just until I clear the front of the garage. So we'll have a complete respray. The dash will be removed as well. As you can see, the original colour was blue. You can see it in a few places. I took the roll bar off. Don't know whether to put it on or not. Would love your opinion. As you can see again, the original colour. Stay in touch. Thank you very much.